Welcome back to my estate video. I just want to let you guys know that I'm doubting whether the people in estate are real people, and then of course if the people in estate, if you're adapting them that they are not real people, then the chances are you are also going to say the properties are not real. Okay, therefore the income is not legit. But this is not the case, guys, because I have personally met the co-founder of estate, and not just only him. I have met the top leaders, top partners that is in estate. So I just want to share some pictures here to let you guys know how real and genuine these guys are. Right here, starting from my left hand side, is Brandon Stevenson, the CEO and co-founder of estate. The one in the middle, I have met Mr. Mike Hamilton. Okay, and then far right here is Carol Peterson. Right, so these are the top 3 executives of estate. But the point I am trying to make here is these people are real. Okay, they are not AI generated image, according to what some people are saying. Okay, now I am not giving you guys any guarantees. Okay, I just want to let you guys know so that you won't say that this video you are watching is giving you guarantees. I am not giving you any guarantee at all, but I am trying to prove a point that these people are real. What they are doing is real. Okay, so take note of Mr. Mike Hamilton in the middle here. Right, I have met him. I'm going to show you some other photos that I have met some people as well. For example, Anthony Deloach, I have met him. Siwa, I have met him. Okay, and Brandon here. Okay, Brandon Ivy, I have met him. This is a little bit old picture because they have already climbed above these levels right now. Okay, I have met Len. I have met so many people that is in estate. So they are real people, guys. They are real people. For example, a throwback to the Miami Summit 2026, which they held early this year. Right, I actually visited United States. Okay, this was held in Florida, Miami. I was there, okay, in that summit, and I met the co-founder of estate, Mr. Mike Hamilton. You can see me and him right here in the photo. This is not an AI generated image. This is me live with the co-founder of estate. Right, I met many other people. This is him making speech on the day of the summit. Right, this is Anthony Deloach that I have met. I told you guys that I have met some of these people. Right, and here are other members, top members of estate that have actually met with the CEO. Right, and I'm going to show you a lot more pictures, but there is no enough time for me to show you all the pictures. Right, so I just want to flick through all these photos so that you will have an idea of what we are talking about. These are real people, guys. These are real people. Okay, this is Brother Darrow. Okay, I have met him in person. Okay, this is Brandon Ivy with the co-founder of estate. Right, so we have met these people in person. Okay, this is Lynn. She is one of the top leaders as well in estate. Okay, so I can just keep going on and on and on and just show you some more pictures just to let you know that I have physically met these people. They are not AI generated images, guys. All right, these are real people in estate. Okay, and they are real properties as well. For example, the building, the Icon Breco building that the Miami Summit was held. That building, they have the first ever building real estate that we have in estate inside that building. So this estate that you are looking at right now, right? This real estate apartment in Miami, this particular real estate is right in that building that the summit was held. So this is real property. All the things you are looking at right here, they are real as far as I know, because I have been to one of these, right? So that's the point I'm trying to make to you guys. If you flick through all of these pictures, right, you will notice that it is the same building that the summit was held, that they have this apartment there, right? If I go to the far end of this, you will see that this is Icon Breco building. Okay, this is W, the building, right? And then if I go back to the last bit of the pictures that I showed you, this is the building that the summit was held. So it's the same building that they have this property. Okay, at least the Miami apartment property is there. So in terms of company registration, they have done a lot of registration in Panama. Okay, so this is their certificate of registration in Panama, and they have other ones in the Canada, the one that they just did recently. Okay, they completed this registration in Canada, and then there is another recent one that they have done in New York. So the company is legit to this point that I'm recording this video, right? And they have also the certificate of partnership with the ARDR, Association of Real Digital Realtors, right? This is one of the partners of eEstate. They have also registered this company in the United Kingdom. And if you go into the government of UK website, okay, go to .gov, you will see, and go to the company registration information, you will see that the company has been registered. Okay, the partner of eEstate, ARDR, this has been registered as well in the United Kingdom. Right now, if you want to look at the people that their name is on file, okay, against this company, if I click into people here, this page will open, and you will notice that Stevenson Brandon is here. Okay, is here. This is his name against the company, right? So guys, I don't know what else you are looking for, right? This is real. Everything you are looking at right now is real. Okay, as I said, I am not giving you guarantee, but this is real. Okay, so if you are still doubting, I don't know what else to show you to make you believe that there are real people in eEstate, the properties are real properties, and the income you are earning on a daily basis, the income is legit. Okay, and the good thing about eEstate is you can literally start with as little as $10. For example, this particular property in Miami that I'm talking about, you can start this property with as little as $10, guys. So this is great for anybody that wants to, kind of elevate his or her financial status. This is the place for you to come, right? So I recommend you sign up with the link below this video description if you wish to get into the real estate and begin to earn money via tokenized properties. Okay, the minimum that you can start with is $10. Come in, register, and start with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 50,000. The choice is yours, guys, as long as you are making steady and consistent income. Okay, it is 100% passive. You do not have to do anything. Just purchase a fraction of this property and you will be able to earn on the daily basis. There is even a profit calculator here that tells you how much you are going to be expecting to be earning, okay, on a daily basis and of course on a monthly basis. Now remember that the earnings in eEstate is from Mondays to Fridays. Okay, there is no earning on Saturdays and Sundays, but they have all the properties, okay, that you can select from the list of these properties, and then you can purchase any one you want to purchase, right? For example, I usually recommend this villa property because with this you will earn up to $400, okay, floating rate in a month. which is going to give you about $19 per day. Okay, so anything that is up to $19 per day is what you are going to be earning here, because the passive income that is coming here is floating rate, if you know what I mean. So it's not fixed. All right, but at the end of the month you should be able to earn up to $400, and you will break even in 7 months and get your original capital back. And then after that, you are just going to be enjoying house money. So this is the property that I recommend for people to start with if you want to start with this kind of money. However, as I said, they've made it so easy and simple for every single person to start with $10. But think about it. Do you think $10 is going to make any difference in your life? The answer is basically no. So I recommend you start with more than $10, even though the company said you should start with $10, right? So this is me. I just want to let you guys know that what we are doing in estate, it is real. The people are real. The properties are real. The income we are earning is legitimate income, guys, right? So thank you. The link to sign up is below this video description. There is a video that I have recorded for you to sign up, showing you how to sign up, showing you how to complete your KYC, and showing you how to deposit and purchase your property. It's dead easy. It's not difficult at all, right? So guys, this is it. Thank you and God bless.